Hello student, we will start the next life cycle, that is Trypanosoma gambiense. Classification of Trypanosoma gambiense. This is also protozoan flagellates and causing different types of diseases. Classification: phylum Protozoa. Its phylum is Protozoa. Subphylum Plasmodroma. Class Masticophoria. Subclass Zoomastigina. Order Protomonadina. Genus Trypanosoma. Genus Trypanosoma. Species Gambiense. Genus and species is Trypanosoma gambiense. The outstandingly serious flagellae, Trypanosoma gambiense is most notorious for causing African sleeping sickness disease. Which disease causes? African sleeping sickness disease, causing to the human beings. In the human beings of Africa living in the marshy land and near the forest. This is the carried by the tsetse fly. This tsetse fly is the intermediate host. Fly Glossina palpalis. Its name is Glossina palpalis. Common name is tsetse fly. This is the intermediate host to transmit the one patient to another patient. Reserve hosts are antelope, pigs, and cattle. Trypanosoma is polymorphic and digenetic, complete life cycle in two hosts. It is colorless, elongated, flat, uniflagellate, and fusiform with a length of 15 to 30 micrometer and breadth 15 to 30 micrometer in length and breadth of 1 to 3 micrometer. Length is 15 to 30 micrometer and breadth is 1 to 3 micrometer. The body is covered by thin elastic pellicle. Body is thin elastic pellicle. Pellicle along with ectoplasm is extended on one side to form an irregular undulating membrane. Pellicle along with ectoplasm is extended on one side to form an irregular undulating membrane. Basal granule is single and present in the posterior part. Basal granule is single and present in the posterior part. Flagellum developed from basal granules is attached to undulating membrane. It is a pre-anteriorly kinetoplast or parabasal body lies near the basal granules. The endoplasm contains a number of granules having reserve food. Nucleus is centrally located. It contains prominent nucleolus or endosome. Bite of CC fly. Bite of CC fly introduces the parasite in human blood. Biting of CC fly introduces the parasite in human blood. The area of bite becomes dark red. Area of bite become dark red. The CC fly biting and that area is dark red created. There is a feeling of itching. This is the different types of symptoms occurs in the at the time of biting of this CC fly. There is a feeling of itching and irritation. The parasite obtain nourishment. To suck the blood. But blood is the food for that CC fly. From plasma of blood passes into lymph, pancreas and liver and multiplies rapidly. The parasite obtain nourishment from plasma of blood, passes into the lymph, pancreas and living and multiples rapidly through longitudinally binary fission. This is the asexual reproduction takes place and binary fission takes place and multiple this infection takes place. It causes blockage and damage to the organs. Recurrent fever, headache, anemia and weakness develop. Lymph glands swell up, especially of the neck region. Ultimately, the parasite enters cerebrospinal fluid and damages brain, resulting in lethargy, unconsciousness, commonly called sleeping sickness, and this Trypanosoma gambiense causing disease called as sleeping sickness disease. Prevention and control. How to prevent and control this infection to causing in human beings. The Gambian trypanosomiasis in endemic areas may be reduced by protecting the human beings from the bite of CC fly. We have to protect from biting of CC fly. Quarantine of persons coming from infected to uninfected territory. Quarantine of the persons coming from infected to uninfected territory. Campaigns to destroy the resting and breeding grounds of the CC fly. It is a fatal, but treatment is available in the form of germiner or suramine, pentamidine, germinier or suramine, pentamidine. This is the medicines, or lomidine, melerson, etc. This is the different types of medicine treatment given to that patient. Okay, thank you. This is the complete life cycle of Trypanosoma gambiense.